Welcome this video. Full depth idea for a backyard oasis. Transforming your backyard into a personal retreat is one of the most admired house home project you can untalk and add a full depth is one of the best way to do it. Unlike traditional depth, full depth are not aspect to a structure then full above the ground supported by a frame rest on construction block or depth force then cost effect easy to build and perfect for create a stylish and functional outdoor living space whether regret is a quick for morning coffee and entertainment zone or a poolside lounge. Here are some inspire full depth idea to help your build the ultimate backyard oasis zone spireful depth retreat. If your sleep place a traditional in your outdoor, consider a zone inspire full depth. Use natural material like or redwood and integrating clean line and natural color surrounding the depth with surrounding rustic stone, bamboo, fence, or glass to give it an art maximizes vibrant, add low profile, set a water functional like a smart fountain, marry even to create the perfect supported parafelled prototype incorporating solar power lecturing, or toy lights for soft embrace, even light that enhance the atmosphere. Multi-level fold app. A multi fold app often both interior and functional. This tool design work well on supported yard. If you want to create zone for inspire one level for design another for long add a far far back area. Use cooled material and drain of unit the level while main interest proposed for each zone. Idea: add connect step with both in light for soft minimalist traditional benefit like pool side paradise depth full depth are a minimalist a way to frame a backyard pool or hot tub. Full depth often surface for long enjoyment for during. Choose water resistant depth material like compost, wood for during both build in case long shed or bungalow enhance comfort and aesthetic. Installing hob and smart bun cut and waterfall story to make your pool depth even more functional. Full depth with a bungalow. Add structure and style but top your full depth with a bungalow. Not only do its provide shade, but it's also define this space and give you a framework for light and plants or outdoor. Question: choose a modern minimalist bungalow Go for a more realistic wood design depend on your aesthetic. Design type, print the bungalow in construction color. It's too